Hello friends, my name is Chloe and welcome to Cardinal Oak's 3 to 6 online story time. Are you ready for our third story? This book is called Monkey Puzzle by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. Little monkey has lost its mother. His friend, Butterfly, wants to help, but they aren't having much luck because Butterfly doesn't understand what the monkey's mother looks like. Let's see if they can find little monkey's mother. I've lost my mom. Hush, hush, little monkey. Don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She is big, said Monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, no, no. That's an elephant. My mom isn't a great gray hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around trees. She coils around trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, 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 that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl around a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for. Now you say? I know where she is then. Come, this way. No, no, no. That's a spider. My mom isn't black, hairy, and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops, way up high. She lives in the trees. You should have said, your mommy is hiding above your head. No, 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 that's a parrot. Mom's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. And she doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mom leaps and springs. Aha, I've got it. She leaps about. She's just around the corner without a doubt. No, no, no. That's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown, furry, and nice to cuddle. Brown fur! Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, no, no. That's a bat. Why do you keep getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep all day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mom's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river, having a drink. No, no, no! That's the elephant again! Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see? None of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that is the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, no, no! That's my dad! Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mom. Little monkey has lost his mother in this tree. This is a monkey puzzle tree. It's an evergreen tree with spiky leaves, and it is very difficult to climb in. Come on, help me to find little monkey's mother. Is this the monkey's mother in the monkey puzzle tree? No, no, no! That's an orange butterfly! Is this the monkey's mother in the monkey puzzle tree? No, no, no! This is a pink butterfly! Is this the monkey's mother in the monkey puzzle tree? No, no, no! This is a purple butterfly! Oh wait, what do I see at the bottom of the tree? I see someone sitting there. Do you see it too? Oh, yes, yes, yes! We found the monkey's mother. Now they can go and give each other a big cuddle. Next week, I will tell you a story about a girl who has curly hair, but she thinks it is messy and silly and just plain unfair. She would like to have straight hair and not curly. Thank you for joining Cardinal Oak's 3 to 6 online story time. We hope you enjoyed our story Monkey Puzzle by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. See you next time, friends. Bye.